Yes, guy, I'm back. Dako naman po tayo dito kay Claire Castro at Baste Duterte. Ayon po sa Politico, Palas to Baste Duterte, what happened to 13,000 flood control project during Rudy's term? Well, Malacanang on Saturday, there Davao City Acting Mayor Sebastian Duterte to inform the public if the 13,917 flood control project implemented during the term of his father, ex-President Rodrigo Duterte, are still existing and effective against perennial floods. Huh? Presidential Communication Office Undersecretary and Palace Press Officer Claire Castro made the remark in response to the younger Duterte's criticized the government over the non-existent flood control project that are at the center of the controversy. In an interview at The Hague, the Davao City acting mayor said the government under President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. is now pointing finger over who is the blame for the corruption and the ghost flood mitigation measures. In response, Castro pointed out that the younger Duterte criticism was not constructive as it did not include any suggestion to resolve the floods. Ang Pangulong Marcos Jr. ay tuloy-tuloy na umaaksyon para mabigyan ng solusyon ang issue sa maanumalyang flood control project. Ngunit ang mga ganitong komento mula sa kanila pero wala naman suwestyong ibinibigay sa pagresolba sa problema ay hindi makakatulong sa bayan, he said. The palace official then dared the Davao City acting mayor to divulge the status of the 13,917 flood control project built during his father's term and if this helped mitigate the problem. Ang maaari nilang may tulong sana ay ipaalam sa mamamayan ang 13,917 na flood control project ng nakaraang administrasyon para malaman ang lahat kung existing, operational, effective ba ito sa problema sa baha at kung nararamdaman ba natin ang mga proyektong ito ngayon at noong mga nakaraang taon, Castro said. She added that Marcos is open to any decent suggestion coming from everyone, even his critics. The day before, Castro also took a swipe at Vice President Sara Duterte for her remarks that she won't give the Marcos administration any free advice to solve the country's flood woes, jesting that she will charge the government a consultation fee. Castro said Duterte should save her advice for her brother given that Davao City also suffered from serious flood during heavy rains. Ayan po. Comment down below. Thank you.